Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see how to make this simple and easy to make heart-themed card that has the word love written inside of it. Here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. All that you really need is one red pen. However, I had a thin and a thicker version, which of course makes it a bit easier and faster to make this card, as when you're coloring in the design, you can switch over to a slightly thicker pen. However, you really only need one red pen or whatever color you're using, a pencil to draw out the design, and then paper for the base of your card. The first step of this design is to take your pencil and draw everything out. I decided to pretty much place the heart in the middle of my card. However, an easy way to customize this look or this card would be to simply just move the heart around. Perhaps you place it on a diagonal or in one of the corners. Once you have the design drawn and the heart in the spot that you want it, take your thin red pen, if you do have a thin pen and you're using that, to outline everything. I started with the word love in the center, and then I continued on with the outline of the heart. And I rotated the card as I went just to make it easier to outline and to try to get as straight lines as possible. Once you have everything outlined, the final step of this card is to simply color in the design. Here I'm using a red Faber-Castell pen. These are some of my favorite pens to use for making cards, and the exact pen and color that I'm using is linked in the description box below. And once you have everything colored in, this simple card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.